Oh my gosh. Talk to me, Sam. Talk to me.
What's up, boys?
What's up, boys? Give me a lot of room back here. Oh my gosh. Boom. Bang. That is some freaking technique right there.
What?
4 fingers on the clutch.
Oh, you motherfucker.
Is there a problem with that? Someone's gonna screenshot those and make a shit ton of money.
You gotta give me money first.
Yeah.
Don't put it in there.
You have to blur them out.
We'll get credibility in there.
I can't fuck. What is you're getting a new phone, don't worry
What
about
the fuck?
You're getting a new phone.
No, I'm not, bro. Sam, bro. He's like, that's fine. You get a new phone anyways.
There you go, mint.
Oh, it's not in my phone.
What's up, DK, you bitch. Bitch. Red Bull. I ain't got no shorties.
Damn, you are the shorty.
Well, yeah.
Get him, Sam. Get him.
Damn, the wife of Ethan.
EV got a new kit. Well, I don't even know what it looks like. He don't even know what it looks like. Maybe he does. Yeah, the 2025 is looking real clean compared to the 2014. Fresh stompers.
Look at that thing.
And
Hold up. Hold up.
hey!
Red Bud.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning is right.
Sam, why are you hitting on my sister?
I don't like her.
Bro, you're cooked, Sam. That was I caught that whole thing. EB's gonna watch this video back. He missed that, but oh,
Alright, fuck you, boy.
Sam, you're in for one. EB's out there getting the track all warmed up. Let's go.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Oh man. What'd you say about the girls? You like telling them that they're hoes? Thumbnail, you said? Oh. Let's see it, boy. Yeah. Woo.
Yeah. Oh. DK's getting her going. You start DK, starts it. Yeah. Just have to do. That's what racers have to do right here, folks. And I have no idea where Ethan is. You gotta catch him.
When he passes, I'll get him.
Yeah. Oh! EB the floors again, but he keeps the throttle on. He came on lap Ethan here, which isn't good because his bike stalled. He ate it. I was wondering if he was okay. I knew he was okay because he just ate it on the turn. DK comes, or I believe that's DK, yes. Oh yeah. What's up? You stalled? Oh damn it. Oh. Ethan's in front. DK's following him. Way over. That's DK right there. That's DK from. Ethan's looking like he doesn't even want to ride out here. Come on, man. Come on, man.
I feel like I'm done riding for the day. Hot, track's kind of sketchy. And I got a kickstart. This thing sucks. Sammo!
Yeah, DK!
I'm just gonna follow the dust path. Well, this track one-handed is kind of sketch. Damn it! Just weeded it. Turn me up, EB, turn me up. For the YouTube. Wow. Oh shit! Oh no! This is where I weeded it last time. This dust is terrible.
Who doesn't even know how to fly over a tabletop?
Talking shit. There's a mouse right there, Sam. Holy shit. It's under this thing.
Sam, get it out of there.
Open it, lift that shit up.
Yeah. Mouse.
Sam, chill.
I was trying to slap your neck, but you kept moving your head. Emotes, emotes,
Ah, shorty.
5-star.
Oh,
Oh. Whoa, whoa. Oh. Oh.
damn, bro.
Quit fucking around, damn it. Hey, hey, watch it.
Oh.
Hey, can you watch it?
Oh. Sam, how long has it been since you drove
Hey,
a car?
Sam, is that really
A
funny?
minute, actually.
Like how many years? 3 years?
Yeah.
Since you ever like driven a car at all?
Yeah.
Hopefully there's no wasp nest in there.
It'd be alright.
Oh shit.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Look at Brian. Hop in the whip. Let's see. I want to see you drive, Sam.
Hop in the whip. All right.
You're one of my favorite drivers I've ever driven with. You always keep me on the edge of the seat. Dude, this is like actually...
Are you coming in here, DK?
Yeah, I'll get a little outside footage. Chill.
Hey, where do you guys usually drive?
I'm on the ground.
What?
Who's this stud muffin driving? Sam, you gotta put it in forward, buddy. Sam, unlock the car! What the F word? Hold on, let me remove this. Fucking bee just got me in the face, damn it! Oh! I just got stung in the face. Ow. I don't know if you can see it or anything. Oh. Damn. Bees are everywhere, bro.
Inside.
Is it inside?
I swear.
Right there.
Where?
Also comes from Harvard Gallery in the Fox Cities.
Turn me up, Sam. Where's it at, bro?
It's
in the
It is?
Yeah. Kick that fucker, Sam.
Oh! Yeah.
Oh! There's my twin! Oh!
I'm gonna go in the other side and record. Turn this dumbass shit off. They ain't been for a ride like this in their whole life. Oh, Rubbin's racing, baby. What the fuck is Sam trying to do? Oh my god. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", getting the bees knocked out. Hope they learned something. I'm sweating my ass off. Look at this, gonna do a hot lap. I got the record time going around the pond. Little bro, I'm yapping. All right, back to our weekly scheduled program. Sam, so when's the last time you've driven a car?
Okay, so it's 3 years technically, but it's 6 months since I went to Whitewater. Like, we'll just call it 3 years, because I drove
much,
there
yeah.
and then I was done.
Maybe an hour driving in the last
An hour
3
of
years.
driving in the last 3 years, yeah.
So, welcome into this beauty.
Are there black hornets in there? Because
Only girls.
I wish.
Crank that hog. Good. Oh no, you guys heard that thing? Just go. Sam, I think your car's off right now, actually.
Oh, yeah. Me too.
All right, we're gonna do a little driving test with Sam. Sam, reverse. Look at that technique right there. Oh my god, holy shit. I'm terrified, dude.
All right, so where am I driving?
It's a good question.
To your house.
Yeah.
Hell no. We're not driving this shit.
To left. Juice it, Sam. Oh, fuck. No. Sam. Sam, that's the other fucking people's field. Sam.
Well, you said juice it left.
Well, that's not left. That was straight, dude.
You said juice it left.
You just stoved it into the track.
Bro, I
Well,
don't know how to drive right now. Just fucking go easy.
Where you going, bro?
Back.
Where?
Sam, oh shit. Punch it, Samo. Turn me up. Go straight. Cut across the track right here. Go left, 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 left.
Oh, I don't.
You ain't gonna make that. Go. You gotta reverse now.
This is.
All right, stop. Good. Forward, left. Now send this. No, I'm kidding.
No.
Go right around this. Oh, left.
Yep, I see that.
Yep, totally saw that one, Sam.
I saw it. It's hard to fucking see.
Oh, all right. Now let's go around the pond. Let's see if Sam can keep her out of the water.
Chill, Sam.
The thing is, this is how Sam drove on the road.
Not tip this bitch.
If you tip it, I'll give you $100. Oh, free game. Just keep her out of the water, Sam. Please don't go in the pond.
Look at it. You see how you're going like this? My fucking neck's starting to hurt, dude.
That's not from this though. Sam, let's go! Come on!
Yes, Sam.
Woo! All right, stop. You're scaring me, Sam. You're scaring me.
Bro, I was hitting those turns nice though.
Sam, it's smoking right here.
Oh my god! It's fucking smoking.
Sam.
Oh fuck! Sam! Turn it off! Sam!
It's off. Why is it? Holy fuck. Why is it smoking?
What'd you do, bro?
I don't know. I was trying to drift and whip. That's a fucking hot cup or a heater cup, or that's where you put your cups.
A cup holder. Oh, if you're horny.
Sam stayed extra long on that one.
When do I stop? Who wants to check the engine?
Bro, it's
Not
not
me.
smoke. I think you gotta. Sam, pop the hood, Sam.
I don't know how to.
Oh, Sam, that closes the other way.
Here we go.
Look at that form, Sam. Oh! Jeez.
I was about to fall, bro.
Are you a mechanic, Sam?
Who's that guy? Who's that guy? Who is that? Oh! Come on! Oh my! Turn me up, Pete! Whoa! Shit! That motherfucker almost hit the damn house, motherfucker! Oh shit! Look at this barn find. Let's see if it starts. Fuck yeah, it's gonna start. It's a cowie! What the fuck? Go sideways. Leave his time. Got somebody coming.
Lifestyles of the broken famous. Trying to figure out what my goals and aims is. Going down a road that I know is tainted. She really give it up, but she knows I'm anxious. So impatient when it comes to whiskey. And if I die young, man, I hope they miss me. Well, God forbid that. Bumping Big L, smoking the Big L. The shit we talk, we live that.
Coward. Hey, look at the sky. What do you think of that shit?
I think this looks like it's Primo ripping, brother.
Let's go!
I'm still young, I'm still dumb, can you forgive that? One day I'll grow up, I'll get it intact. I got a girl that knows every single lyric. She love the way I talk, she love my syntax. They say that music's in a crisis, but it's been whack.
Jesus. Thank you! Wow, it worked!
Imagine it stopped raining.
It's getting brighter.
Hey,
rain service
for like 20 minutes just to get them out. So
You snapped your fingers and it's still raining.
we might have to pull out and then pull back in. That might be the method. Once it stops raining, pull back in and we'll start riding.
Alright, 10-4. Let's go, money. Yo, that 450 speeding.
Oh,
2 minuses equal a positive. See that? What's up, baby? How's it going?
Just keep going, just keep going. I want to park and rip.
Here comes the sun. Do 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 do.
This is the way I am. Young boy still pushing big whips. Get money, lay low and chill. It's so trill, she's so ill, she's so real. I'ma do what I feel. Oh.
Left hand too. This ain't even my Dominique trunk.
Same was you. Then ask you to leave. That's the EB special.
Dead ass, bro. Every time I see him, bro, he was like this, bro.
Eat your elbow, go under the band.
Dude, I'm actually dead ass.
Like I'd come up, I'd be dead ass.